welcome back to Hi-Fi Tech and Entertainment channel. In this video is specially only for subscribers. Why? Because one of the subscriber asked me how to upload and download a file or image in CAPM service. So this video is for you only subscribers. I think his name is something Samir Panda. I don't know the exact name. So now we will start how to use and upload and download things in SAP CAPM. So let's get started. First, file, new project from the template. Then as usual, you need to select the CAP project. Click on start project name. This is for the uploading purpose, right? Upload files. So this is the naming convention I maintain. Currently I'm not doing any deployment and storing things. So just simply I will maintain some templates. Click on finish. Now it will open that workspace area. Yes. Now this is the file. First, as you know, we need to create a file schema.cds. Here we need to define the entity, guys. You guys know, right? Namespace, my upload dot video. So this is the namespace I'm maintaining now using. You guys know, right? This is predefined things. These two things I'm going to use now from, yeah. Then define the entity, files, managed, enter. Here, what are the properties I'm going to use is content to store the binary data and media type, string, next file name, string, next size of the file. If why? Because if you want to maintain any validation to restrict till this limit, you can maintain that. Next URL. Yeah, here on on top of this I'm going to use some of the core things. What is the use of that is, first one I will use code.media type. First I will write it, then I will explain you what it is. Dot media type. Then dot contents disposition. It will holds the file name. Next dot type. Inline. Then code dot is media type. So these things we need to maintain. The use of these things is, the first one is code the media type. This indicates the element contains the media data. The value of this annotation is either a string with the contained mem type, or it will be a path of the element that contains the mem type. And second one is iMedia type. This indicates that the element contains the media type. These two things we will use it now. Next, what we have to do for the service implementation, maintaining media dot service dot cds to call this entity. Here, using, we need to call this file name as db, the path from schema.cds. Yeah. Now, service name, I will give as a some attachments. Here we need to call the entity. Files, db.files. That's it. Here just I'm exporting the files entity to the service. Now I will implement a JS file. Why I'm using is I have implemented the create handler for filling the download URL pattern. For that I'm maintaining this same here dot service.js. This is the file name I'm maintaining now. Here I will write some create method. For that, module.export equal to asynchronous function. Here we need to define the methods. Now I am defining here this dot before create dot entity name files. Um, Here we need to write whatever the response you want to see in the console. And in case you want to see the data, I am maintaining that. Here I will read that data. Request dot data. That's it. Now URL equal to attachments slash files. So here it will get the data. While reading, it will read data here. I mean before fetching. Once this is done, before going to map the UI, first we'll run the application once. First what to do, as you know, npm install. So it will install all the dependencies, then run the application. Okay. It is asking the credentials. That's why I'm maintaining as a dummy one. Yes, now it will run. CDS watch. If the file path name is wrong, just open the path properly. Then we'll run the, not here, file, open the folder within the projects. This is the file. Now we will run this. On the terminal. Oh, I created the application here only. Yeah. Now already this port is there. Let's execute with other port. Yeah. See, now this metadata is created. What are the things we added? And you can see currently there is no data. If you want to add data, as you guys know, just we can use a command cds add data. So once I use that, here you can see the CSV file will generate it. If you want, we can maintain it here. Now I am not doing that. Just I will configure this to my UI app. For that, file, new project from template. Now I will choose the Fury generator to configure this. SAP Fury generator. Click on next. Now I'm choosing only basic to maintain the upload set. Now next, the view name, the module name, namespace. It's your wish. What I will do is I will follow my upload is my namespace, then version and everything. Click on finish. Now what it will do is once I expand an application, here you can see the annotation file is generated automatically. On top of that, you can see in the manifest, sorry, annotation.csv file, here it's loaded. Very good. Now just expand the web app. Now I will see the manifest.json file is fetched automatically. Once the app is loaded, just go to your view. Within the view, this view will generate defaultly. Now here we need to maintain your upload set. So now already I am maintaining my upload set here and I loaded that my uploader thing. Once it is ready, here these are the some basic things I maintain. If you see, this is the entity name I maintain, and after upload completed, whatever the logic you want, we need to maintain that. So that this is the basic structure I configured here. On top of that, I maintain some attributes that is created at media type size. Here if you want to maintain any validations, we can maintain that things also. So here simply what I did is first I maintained some upload set. Within the upload set, I binded the whatever files I uploaded to fetch that. I maintained this. Next here I maintain the uploaded items. Whatever things I uploaded, that file name, media type, URL, and whatever created by these all things I want to fetch it. I want to display it in my uploaded file. Now what I will do is just jump into the controller. Here we need to maintain all these conditions on upload, on after item things. So for that, the first I will maintain on after item added. Copy this method here. Within the function, what I will do is first I need to get the item, right? For that, where item equal to event dot get parameters items. Then this dot create entity to create that file. So this create entity, I will maintain a separate function. Here we need to pass this data to our entity set. I mean, we'll do post. Here, what data we want to pass? We maintain the media type and file name size, right? These things I will pass it now. Media type colon will read this data here. Yeah. Item dot get media type. Next, file name. If you want to hard code some file names means we can hard code it and we can fetch it. Yes. Next, size. Here if you want to maintain any validations, you can maintain it. Size. These are the parameters I maintain. Now, then equal to here, I will call the URL. My OData URL is OData slash v4 method attachment slash files. Yes, that's it. Then method post, then headers. I think these are all things you guys must, but simply just maintaining this. So once I maintain that method, if it is success, the data will fetch it here. If it is reject, that response will commit here. Then go to your view and the remaining methods what we maintain here is on open press, on remove press. These things also will call it here. Here after if it is succeeded, that response we want to see it, right? That's why I maintain, and here that data I'm uploading to my upload content. This upload content, what data we need to fetch to a UI is we need to write logic here for that. Here in the upload content, this is the cap service what we maintain here. Based on ID, we'll set these items. I mean, we need to update it. For that, this is the image upload we maintained in the UI part. Then the method is the put method and the upload item is item. This data we need to upload it. Then the remaining thing what we missed is on remove pressed. So let's write that here. In the on remove pressed, we were removing the item from the UI part. Next, on open pressed. Within the on open pressed, Once user click on the open, what validations you want to maintain, that things I will maintain it here. Yeah. So here what I'm getting is I will get that data and the file name. Instead of opening that file, just I'm downloading that file. Either it's an image or it's an any file. So instead of opening the file in the new tab, what I'm doing is I maintain the file to download the basic format. For that what I'm doing is here I use to download option to perform get. Then which format you want to download. By using this base64, I just downloaded the file by using this URL. That's the logic I maintained here. Once everything is done, just run the application. Click on enter, then it will open the some other portal. So here if you see, I generated a custom application. Just open this. Here the app will run. Now what I'm doing is just upload something. So some image I'm uploading it here. Once I upload the image, here you can see the icon, right? Actually, when we use the upload collection, then only we can see this icon. For that, here we didn't use upload connection. If you see, I used only upload setting. So for to maintain the icon, what I did is here I used a formatter. It's your wish to maintain the icons. Whatever the icons you want to maintain, you can maintain that. So within the formatter, I maintain some of the icons. So that either if it is a PFG file, maintain something. If it is a text file, something like this. So based on your wish, we can maintain your icon. So if you want to edit it, we can edit it. If you want to delete it, we can delete it. Let's upload it successfully. Now you can see the image is uploaded. Once you click on it, download, it will download it here. Now, if you click on that, open the file, you can see the image. So that's how we can use upload and download the application in CAPM service. If you like this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.